Hi, this is Jashan from Harpal and Sons firm in Ambala, Kent, Haryana. So this is our hot air oven made up of mild steel, duly powder coated. So this is the hot air oven. In this oven, you can see there is a main on-off switch, a digital controller, then there is a load indicator, fan on-off switch, and then there is a regulatory switch to control the heat from low, medium, high. This is manufactured by Harpal and Sons, duly powder coated, provided in a very best color combination, white and metallic gray. So currently the testing of this oven is going on. In some time it will reach 150 degree. As you can see, the temperature is increasing slowly. So this is the hot air oven. The difference of this product from the market product is the build quality. Our hot air oven is built with accuracy and it's a very heavy duty product. The oven is provided with two stainless steel trays. So this is the hot air oven. It is provided with the SS chamber. So there is a stainless steel chamber inside. You can see SS304. This is a very heavy duty product and you can just push it to lock it. So this is our hot air oven. You can contact us for any requirement. So thank you for watching the video.